Hey, what's up guys, this is Rafi and welcome back to another video. And today I am going to show you my novels, the collection of my novels, and I will also prefer you some novels. So let's begin with the video. So guys, the first novel that I have is this Harry Potter by J.K. Rowling and Harry Potter and the Deathly Hallows. This is my favorite one and it's the last part of Harry Potter, as you can see right over here, and it's really cool. I love this novel, and also I have seen this novel's movie and both of the parts of this novel, and I will also prefer you this novel. So let's go ahead and choose our second novel. So the second novel I have is this David Elmond Skelling. In this novel, there's like a creature in the grass that Michael tells us about. This novel is based on the creature. Its name is Skelling. It's a little bit scary in some parts, like it's written here: man, bird, or angel. Who or what is Skelling? Like they don't know that because Skelling have the wings. And moving on to the next novel, here I have this Harry Potter and the Secret Club. Oh, sorry, Horrid Henry. I accidentally said Harry Potter. As you can see, I have two parts of this novel. They are really funny, as you can see from like the subtitles on it. Now moving on to the next novel, and also I would like to tell you that I love Roald Dahl novels. Like you can see, Roald Dahl, James and the Giant Peach. Yeah, and look, it's written: bigger and bigger grew the peach, bigger and bigger and bigger. And the next novel I have from Roald Dahl is this Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. It's one of my favorite novels because it's interesting. It's like what should I say? It's really funny, and the children in it they just like tell that how the children are now in this novel. They like go in the factory, and the lucky winner, greeting to you, the lucky finder of this golden ticket. So they all there are five golden tickets in the whole world. So only five children can come, and one will get lifetime supply of chocolate. So the next novel I have from Roald Dahl, this was the first part, and this is the second part. This is the Charlie and the Great Glass Elevator. At the end, Mr. Willy Wonka and Charlie go in the great glass elevator. So after that, I have this Danny, the Champion of the World novel. It's really motivating because this little kid right over here tells us that how he worked really hard to find peasants, and he sold them, and the father and the kid got richer. After that, I have this book by the Wimpy Kid, Do It Yourself book. In it, there are activities that we have to do, and I have I think 4 to 5 parts of the Wimpy Kid. Uh, this is the first part. I have read this all, and after that, this is the second part. This is a third part, and this is the fourth part. And I also have these two parts. I don't know which parts are those, but I have also read them. Oh, Wimpy Kid. After that, I have the Magic Finger by Roald Dahl. In this novel, the girl have a magic finger, and he could turn anybody into animals. So this was the Magic Finger, and after that, I will show you the last garden, the Garden of Last Days. I have not read this novel, but I have read its reviews. They are really good, and people also recommend this novel. So I bought it, and now I will read it soon. And after that, I have this novel. I don't know really much about this because I recently bought it. And after that, I have this comic, the Bakuman one. As you can see, this was a funny comic, and like in this comic, there's a manga writer, like they are writing a comic in a comic. And after that, this is a really scary novel. In the first chapter, they just tells that there was a ship, and this guy right over here just sees a weird type of body. So this novel is all about that little creature or body. And after that, I have this novel and an article review of Life of Prophet Holy Prophet. Yeah, as you can see, in this novel they have just told the life of our Holy Prophet. After that, I have this novel has also the Kite Runner. It's related to that novel, A Thousand Spilled Suns. And after that, I have this Goosebumps Triple Head by R.L. Stein. This was a scary novel. There was a child who goes for the first day of his school, and the first day was really weird. And after that, they just tell the story of the school. After that, we have this Horrorland, and this the children are trying to escape from the Horrorland. And this is the most funny novel I have ever read. And this is the Stuart Little, and I read it I think 2 years ago, and it is like really fun to read. And after that, I have this novel. I like just bought it, and I have only read the first chapter of this novel. It is scary but not that much scary. And after that, I have the Beano joke book. So yeah guys, these were my novels. Hope you like this video, and as always, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Goodbye.